We can't wait to welcome you to Magazzino Italian Art. We have a few new protocols in place to ensure the continued health of our community and visitors. Before entering, we ask that all visitors confirm that they are not feeling sick and have not recently been around someone who is confirmed or suspected to have COVID-19. A member of our team will use a contact-free infrared thermometer to check your temperature. Before entering, we ask that you please note all in-gallery rules. Practice social distancing. Please don't bring food or beverages in the galleries. Don't touch the art. Try not to touch your face and cover your cough or sneeze. Next, you'll be invited to enter the museum. There are hand sanitizing stations available for use throughout the building. Please use them when you can. A member of our team will greet you upon entry, check you in using the QR code found in your confirmation email, and provide a brief orientation of how to use your EGOpro device. This is a new device that helps visitors monitor their distance to others. All visitors must wear EGOpro devices while in the galleries. You will be given an individually wrapped lanyard so that you can wear the device around your neck. The device can be calibrated so that all guests in the same group can enjoy their visit to Magazzino together. Using radio waves, the EGOpro devices can detect when you've come too close to others. If you have breached a safe 6-foot or 2-meter distance, the device will buzz and light up, letting you know to move away from other museum patrons. While you're enjoying your visit to Magazzino, please follow the path indicated by the arrows on the floor. You'll find markings on the floors too that help you gauge a safe distance between yourself and others when waiting in line. Make sure to wash your hands for a minimum of 20 seconds. After 90 minutes, your visit will conclude. Please return your EGOpro device in the designated area before exiting the building. There's no re-entry once you've left the museum,